and moon. Sunrise 6:50 a.m. Sunset 4:57 p.m. Moonrise 3:58 p.m. Moonset 4:44 a.m. next day. Tithi lunar day. Chaturthi Tithi, 4th day of the waning lunar phase, until 8:26 a.m., followed by Panchami Tithi. Significance: Chaturthi is known for Ganesha worship, good for removing obstacles. Panchami supports learning and acquiring knowledge. Nakshatra, lunar mansion. Bharni Nakshatra until 8:45 a.m., followed by Kritika Nakshatra. Bharni, good for creative work, persistence, and tackling tasks requiring willpower. Kritika, known for its fiery, intense energy, favorable for starting new tasks with passion. Yoga, Preeti Yoga until 9:38 a.m., followed by Ayushman Yoga. Preeti creates harmony and positive relations. Ayushman supports health-related matters and long-term plans. Karana, Tatila Karana until 8:26 a.m., followed by Garja Karana. Tatila, suitable for business and financial transactions. Garja, best for completing important matters and starting work with discipline. Paksh, Krishna Paksh, waning moon, encouraging introspection and wrapping up loose ends. Samvatsara, Shaka Samvat 1946 Krodhi, Vikram Samvat 2081 Pingala, Gujarati Samvat 2080 Rakshasa. Auspicious timings: Shubh Muhurt, Amrit Kalam 8:29 p.m. to 10:06 p.m. Abhijit Muhurt 11:49 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. Ideal for important beginnings, meetings, ceremonies. Inauspicious timings: Dur Muhurtam, Rahu Kalam 12:28 p.m. to 1:50 p.m. Yamaganda 8:12 a.m. to 9:34 a.m. Hulikai Kalam 10:56 a.m. to 12:18 p.m. Avoid these times for new ventures, major decisions, or financial transactions. Planetary positions: Sun, Surya Libra, Tula. Moon, Chandra Aries, Mesha. Mars, Mangal Taurus, Vrishbha. Mercury, Buddha Virgo, Kanya. Jupiter, Guru Taurus, Vrishbha. Venus, Shukra Leo, Sinha. Saturn, Shani Aquarius, Kumbha. Rahu, Pisces, Meena. Ketu, Virgo, Kanya. Additional observations: Chaturthi Tithi and Bharni Nakshatra, the combination supports creative work, overcoming challenges, and the beginning of initiatives that require strength. Chandra Rashi, Moon sign, Aries, Mesha. The moon in Aries encourages boldness, action, and new beginnings, making it ideal for taking initiatives. Disha Shul, direction to avoid for travel. West, avoid travel toward the west if possible. Performing a small ritual or prayer can neutralize effects if travel is necessary. Ritu, season, Sharad Ritu, autumn season, a time of harvest, closure, and reflection, which brings clarity and balanced decisions. Significance of the day: Wednesday, Budhvar governed by Mercury. Today is beneficial for activities related to business, communication, and learning. Intellectual pursuits and negotiations are favored. Special yogas: Ayushman Yoga, a favorable yoga for health, healing, and long-lasting projects, giving the day an auspicious quality for setting health goals and improving well-being. Chaugriya, daytime Muhurt timings: Udveg, stressful 6:50 a.m. to 8:11 a.m. Chal, good for travel 8:11 a.m. to 9:33 a.m. Labh, profit 9:33 a.m. to 10:55 a.m. Amrit, best 10:55 a.m. to 12:17 p.m. Kal, unfavorable 12:17 p.m. to 1:39 p.m. Shubh, auspicious 1:39 p.m. to 3:01 p.m. Rog, illness prone 3:01 p.m. to 4:23 p.m. Udveg, stressful 4:23 p.m. to 4:57 p.m. Aura, planetary hour timings: Mercury Hora, communication 6:50 a.m. to 7:50 a.m. Moon Hora, Emotions 7:50 a.m. to 8:50 a.m. Saturn Hora, Discipline 8:50 a.m. to 9:50 a.m. Jupiter Hora, Wisdom 9:50 a.m. to 10:50 a.m. Mars Hora, Strength 10:50 a.m. to 11:50 a.m. Sun Hora, Vitality 11:50 a.m. to 12:50 p.m. Venus Hora, Harmony 12:50 p.m. to 1:50 p.m. Mercury Hora, Communication 1:50 p.m. to 2:50 p.m. Moon Hora, Emotions 2:50 p.m. to 3:50 p.m. Saturn Hora, Discipline 3:50 p.m. to 4:50 p.m. Jupiter Hora, Wisdom 4:50 p.m. to 4:57 p.m.